When immunodeficiency occurs, it is mentioned in the practice of medicine, Davidson, practice of medicine, Harrison. If you see, there it is written, if the immunodeficiency occurs, any person can easily infected with any infectious diseases or non-infectious diseases, even also with cancer. So in that case also, everybody, the immunity of everybody should be boosted with proper treatment, that is go back procedure of real homeopathic therapeutic system. Again, number 3, sir, next page. Next page, please, sir. You see, from Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica by Clark. Very nicely, he has told it is suited to conditions where there is a lack of reaction to low states of the vital power, where the venous system is engorged, debility of greater intensity than carbonamylase, to children after exhausting diseases, to old people. Again, same thing. It is a question of immunity. Number 4, from the keynotes and red line symptoms of the Materia Medica by Dr. Adolf von Lippi, he has nicely mentioned, especially adapted to adenemic diseases with great prostration. There only arsenic is mentioned. Number 5, from lectures on homeopathic Materia Medica by J.T. Chen. But it is a great monument to Hahnemann. The carbobase, which drug, the only with this drug, Hahnemann comments the very valuable word. What is it? The great monument mentioned in Kent's Materia Medica. If an ulcer is once established, it will not heal. If you consider this very ulcer, you can consider the unhealthy state, the chronic disease state, the relative healthy state. Next page, please, sir. Next page, please. Number 6, from homeopathic drug pictures by M.L. Tyler. And yet, carbobase is one of the most powerful and precious remedies, at times a veritable corpse reviver. That very word, you should mind it. Veritable corpse reviver. In Bengali, it is Jathathoi Mita Sanjivani, Mritodehe Pran Sancharkari, a veritable corpse reviver. As one has seen, and it is one of the striking proof of the valuable Hahnemann's great discovery in regards to the liberation of power in inert substance by dynamization or subdivision of particles. 7, from plain talks on Materia Medica with comparison by Willard I.D. Pearce, he has mentioned nicely, carbobase is adapted to persons who are suffering from exhausting diseases. In this point, you may ask, we are not suffering from exhausting diseases, but if you think from where you have come from your parents. They are having so many diseases. Father had difficulty in breathing distress. Mother had tuberculosis, or mother had breast carcinoma, or grandfather had cirrhosis of liver. So how one can demand that he or she is perfectly healthy? So perfectly healthy is imaginary until and unless that very individual is treated with a real homeopathy. Carbo-adapted person was suffering from exhausting diseases, and especially when exhausted from the loss of vital fluid, hemorrhages, sweats, diarrhea, seminal fluid. It seems to control hemorrhages, especially in older persons, and in a general way act as a tonic in conditions of great frustration. From ancient Guernsey, one of the best prescribers that ever lived, to the following effect. No truer remark was ever written than, again I am telling, no truer remark was ever written than that carbovegetable is specially adapted to weak and cachectic individuals whose vital powers have become weakened. This remark is made particularly clear in the light of those cases in which disease seems to be engrafted upon the system by reason of the depressing influence of some prior derangement. Please, you please mind it, this very word, by reason of the depressing influence of some prior derangement.
Next page, please.
Okay. Wait. Prior, what is meant by prior derangement? That very prior derangement is what we have inherited from our ancestors. Like this, my grandfather was an addict. My grandmother was a cardiac patient. My mother was a tubercular. My mother had a chronic headache. My father had piles, or my son has chronic headache. All these things we are having is in a recessive state. But we are having. It is in recessive state. But we are having. We are not having. It is imaginary. As I am not suffering, so I am not having. It is imaginary statement. So it should not. Now, again, comparison with that. The arsenic album. Bad effect of decayed food or animal matter, whether by inoculation, olfaction, or ingestion. It was mentioned previously. In China, they are eating so many harmful things, so many uncooked things, so many bad dog and everything. From that thing, they may be great frustration with rapid sinking of the vital fluid, fainting. Again, respiratory system, arsenic album from Alinsky, breathing. Okay, you listen, because we have to turn another page soon. Breathing, asthmatic, must sit or bend forward, springs out of bed at night, especially after 12 o'clock, unable to lie down for fear of suffocation, attacks like croup instead of usual urticaria. One thing I want to mention, that the arsenic has a critical situation. It is mentioned in many books. But you please consider this one. In this very critical situation, what it is the result of the disease. It is not the true disease. It is not the sole cause. It is only the result of the disease. And I have mentioned the Masters James Tyrrell Kent mentioned, if you treat the result of the disease, it will be okay very soon. But gradually it becomes complicated day by day. So if you consider this very point, that I have prescribed arsenic for this critical situation. So in real homeopathy, it is not done, and because real homeopathy create real homeopathy create a perfect healthy state, and this very perfect healthy state will boost the immunity of an individual. See, in our country, especially in West Bengal, Bangladesh, the drinking water is polluted with arsenic. Again, the experts is suggesting for taking arsenic amalgam to save from coronavirus. You please think about this. Is it should be or should not? My earnest request. Please consider this point. Is it should be taken or not? And this the arsenic is also a poison. Nothing also this, every medicine has poisonous effect, even also carbovir. If it is taken unjudiciously. Again, camphor. Great coldness of the surface with sudden and complete prostration of the vital force. It is the last situation of a patient. Like similar situation, not same, similar situation is mentioned in case of carbovir. Britam album, adapted to diseases with rapid sinking of the vital force.
Please.
Complete prostration and collapse. Again, similar situation like carbovir. So please, we should not consider this very situation. We should consider how this thing is happening, from where it has started. What is the main cause? The main cause is immunodeficiency, which is created by 6 true diseases, what we have inherited from our ancestors. So consider the point. We should not consider the critical situation. We should consider the sole cause, and that very sole cause also solve the problem, the present critical situation. Camphor. From Jetican, camphor produces a coryza with a profuse discharge from the nose and from the air passages, from nose to bronchi. Some expert also suggesting about camphor for treating corona patient. And that very medicine also for the critical situation. Again, this critical situation is the result of the disease, not the true disease, not the sole cause. So we have to consider again, it should be used or not, because that very carbovase has everything. It can cover the critical situation, it can cover the immunity. So one medicine can cover everything, and that all those medicine, arsenic amalgam, camphor, Britam amalgam, only create critical situation which we can call the result of the disease, not the sole disease. You please consider this very point. I think you will be agree with me. And if you consider the respiratory symptom in case of carbovase, there also it is clearly mentioned.
Go to the next page.
No, it is page number 2. Second page. The respiratory symptoms of carbovase disease. The carbovase patient suffers very much from difficulties of breathing, suffocation, cannot lie down, a feeling of weakness in the chest, as if he could not another breath. Sometimes it is due to cardiac weakness, sometimes to stuffing of the chest. The latter is most common. Sometimes the difficulty in asthmatic. Difficulty is asthmatic. The remedy cures asthma. We will see the patient propped up in a chair by an open window, or some members of the family may be fanning him as fast as possible. The face is cold, the nose pinched, the extremity is cold, he is as pale as death. Put the head in front of the mouth, and the breath feels cold. The breath is over offensive, putrid. The extremities are cold, clear to the body, not only the hands, but the whole upper extremities, not only the feet, but the limbs, clear to the body, are cold. The body only feels warm, even the skin is cold. So the critical situation, especially in case of coronavirus, their last stage, what I have heard from while treating the corona patient, from them, I have experienced with them the critical situation they are facing at the last moment. And at that very time, hydrofobinam has helped a lot. What I have mentioned in my case while treating corona case. Different other drugs for respiratory system, like Tyler. Arsenicum is one of the great asthma remedies, and asthmatic symptoms are very manifest in the province. Constrictive sensation in the chest, painful respiration, oppression of the chest, difficult breathing, piteous lamentation, that an intolerable anxiety and a very oppressive sensation in the abdomen, hinders respiration, frequently recurring tightness of the chest. Of these, Hahnemann also says, as the symptoms are not observed in the mass from any other known medicine, it is evident how arsenic is homeopathic to inflammation of the chest, that it can thus cure it specifically. Yes, with this very symptom of the last stage of corona, arsenic is very much similar. But see, this is result of the disease. This is not the true disease. So he has mentioned, if you treat on this, the result of the disease can be solved shortly, but not the true disease, not the sole cause. That is why, after treating the corona case, when the person is negative with corona test, I don't know, any time or in future, he can be the victim of this very, either in corona or in any infectious disease. As because in case of tuberculosis, we have seen after tuberculosis negative in with the test of every possible, like chest examination, sputum test, everything, it is seen negative, but that very person is started suffering from cold, cough, fever, so many problems. He has to suffer. Not only this, his son, daughter, means his offspring has to suffer. Once it was tested negative, he is free from tuberculosis. What? He himself or herself is suffering from every cold problem. In one word, very much susceptible to cold, and their children also suffering all these things, and suffering and suffering and suffering. So today's corona negative case, I think, I do not want to tell now what they will feel, what their future will be. The future will tell what is going to be after corona positive. As because I have told first, that very person from China, he was tested negative. He came from China. He was in quarantine. He came to his relative house and infected all the persons. Please see what is the situation. So today's lockdown, how fruitful result can produce, only God knows. It is increasing only human suffering. Only human suffering is increasing. You please consider what is to be going on and what should be done and what should not. You please see all the cases and remarks, all the experts who also, they are agree with me. In the other words, I am agree with them. No fruitful result is waiting for us with corona patient, with corona treatment. So why this? Why this suffering? Will you not think about this again? What is going on? Is it right? Okay. Sir Gautam, you please invite question from audience. Today, this is up to me. When we will meet again? As because so many things is with you, it will spend night after night for delivering my lecture. So many subject is there. One thing is there, the treatment of highly infectious disease. If you allow me, then I can tell also the treatment of highly infectious disease. Or at that time also we can meet.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Mujahid from Bangladesh.
So you please take permission from Sir Gautam. Sir, Akarmugar. You take permission from him. Sir, they can ask or not?
Gautam da, can you permit me to ask one question to my dear respected honorable sir? Gautam da.
I think some technical problem. You please wait.
Yes, speak, sir.
Yes. So, sir, I have a question that, sir, dear sir,
Tell
please,
me.
Gautam da, permit me to ask
Sir
a question.
has given permission, I have heard.
Yes, sir. Sir, I asked you why we used deep acting medicine for the first time. Though there is some not deep acting medicine.
I have mentioned it previously that
Yes,
we
sir.
are already having different complicated two diseases from our ancestors. So nobody is any simple problem. Everybody, they are showing like this, but they are having all these things from their ancestors. I have mentioned time and again from family history. It is proved that we are not a person having simple problem.
Sir,
We are
after
having
treating-
always complicated problem. It is recessive condition. It is in recessive condition. That is why you are telling that very simple problem. So superficial medicine will not eradicate, will not solve the complicated true fixed true diseases. So you have to consider on this very point. You should not think about this superficial manifestation.
Yes, sir.